Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Yi-Cheng, your Mandarin teacher online. I haven't recorded one single video for about 2 weeks, I think, because physically I am exhausted because of taking care of my cat, and I probably haven't had a real sleep for almost 2 months. My brain has been really slow or slower than usual. And then I feel like my communication skill drops a lot. Even though I still have time in life to do things while my cat need a lot of time and attention because I need to do some observation of him every time after he eat, or basically 24 hours. Actually, I still have time here and there, but my brain, mental, physically just feel really exhausted. I couldn't really sleep during those smaller amount of time, but I also don't have the energy to do anything else. Yesterday is actually my birthday, which is February 9th, and I feel I have been lacking of real human communication interaction. I do still try to find time to go to the gym to see human in person. Of course, I have one-on-one lesson online, but I need to say that's still slightly different. I actually prefer that way. I mean, I prefer one-on-one online instead of lessons in person. But I feel like now I'm at a special situation that I am locked in my room and mentally also exhausted or drained. How to say that word? So today I just felt like I have been feeling down and alone, not lonely, but alone. So I felt like I want to talk and do something out of my comfort zone, and hopefully it kind of help myself to switch from current feeling to something else. That's why I'm filming now. So this is the grammar growth dōu character part 3. We have talked about dōu using as both and all, and part 2 we talk about representing every while using with me, that character. But today, we are expressing every something with question word in statement. So question word in a question, it's question word. But in a statement, for example, a question word where, in this kind of structure, it can mean everywhere, no matter where, wherever. Okay? So that's what we are going to talk about for dōu character grammar growth part 3. So now let's take a look of the structure. You use question word, you plus dōu, it will switch into every that question word, no matter that question word or question word ever. For example, 什么都,什么都. So in Taiwan, we pronounce this phrase more like the 舌, third tone instead of second tone. 什么都,什么 is what. With dōu structure, it make it into positive sentence, everything. In negative sentence, then it's anything. For example, I don't want anything. I want everything. Okay, so that's the difference between negative and positive sentence. Next one is 哪里. So 哪里 is where. Into the structure, 哪里都,哪里都. Positive, everywhere. Negative, anywhere. 什么时候都,什么时候都. When 都, so it's whenever, no matter when. 谁都,谁都. 谁 is who, so everyone, whoever. And then negative, anyone. 多少都,多少都. 多少 is how much. With 都, it's however much, also in negative. Or maybe there's other translation that just because I'm lack of English phrases and grammar, so I am not so sure how you guys actually would translate. Next one is 怎么样都,怎么样都. 怎么样 is how is it. So 怎么样都,怎么样都 is however way it is, no matter how it is. And then negative sentence, no matter how. So now let's go through the examples I list out using them. First one, 我什么都想吃，我什么都想吃。I, whatever, everything, want to eat. I want to eat everything. I want to eat everything. 我什么都想吃。Okay, next one, using 哪里 combined with 都 become wherever or everywhere. 我哪里都想去 or 都想要去。我哪里都想要去。I want to go everywhere. No matter where, I wanna go. Kind of like that. For the third tone rule explanation, I will list out 3 main videos that I give examples and explain about them in the description box below. Here, it's a 3 third tone word together. The one and the back need to remain as however it is. So third tone, remain as third tone. The one in front of that one need to switch into second tone. So now you know it's 哪里. And because 我 versus 哪里, where? 哪里 is more like a fixed phrase. So we leave 我 I by itself. When it is by itself, you just treat it as one single third tone word by itself. Then it stays as third tone. So third tone, second tone, third tone. 我哪里 Okay. 我哪里都想要去. I want to go everywhere. Next one. 什么时候都 So 我有空 means I have time. I'm available with time. 什么时候都 means whenever. 什么时候都 whenever. I'm free whenever. I'm available whenever. So it's kind of like you put your base structure, 我想吃, I want to eat, and then you put whatever thing you want to emphasize with every in front of that verb. Okay, so that would be 我想吃, and then you squeeze whatever, 我什么都想吃。我想要去 you squeeze wherever, 我哪里都想要去。我有空 and then you squeeze whenever, 我什么时候都有空。And then the next slide, I'm going to show you the rest of the examples using those here. First one, 谁都不想要付钱，谁都不想要付钱。So our subject using the structure. Whoever or everyone, no matter who, all of them don't want to pay. So no one wants to pay. 谁都不想要付钱. The main structure is don't want to pay. But who doesn't want to pay? Whoever, no matter who. Next one. 我多少钱都愿意买。我多少钱都愿意买。The base of the sentence is 我愿意买。I'm willing to buy. But with how much money? 多少钱都 no matter how much money. 多少钱都 So 多少都 means no matter how much. But it can mean the amount of the object. So if you mean with however much of money, then you need to specify with money. So you say 我多少钱都愿意买. No matter how much money, I'm willing to buy. Next one. 我准备很多食物，你想要吃多少都可以。我准备很多食物，你想要吃多少都可以。I prepare 准备很多食物 a lot of food 食物。The base of the sentence 你想要吃 something 可以 it works 可以 here means allowed to it's fine it's okay you wanna eat and then you need object and then 可以 but what is the object the object is no matter how much of the amount 你想要吃多少都可以 For example, you wanna eat 1 plate, you wanna 2 plates, all of them are fine. 你想要吃多少都可以 Next one, 我没有意见，我怎么样都好。我没有意见，我怎么样都好。I don't have 意见 opinions. I don't have opinions. And then the second half of the sentence, 我怎么样都好。怎么样都 no matter how, however it is, I'm fine with it. I'm okay with it. Like, it doesn't matter with me. So you can also say 我怎么样都可以. Like, I would accept, I would be okay with no matter how it is. 我怎么样都好. And the other one I'm going to show you is using no matter how and then plus a verb and then plus 都, okay? Instead of using 怎么样都, we are using 怎么 plus a verb word plus 都. Let's take a look of the example here. 别人怎么想都不重要。别人怎么想都不重要。Other people, 别人怎么想how to think. Plus 都 it make it into no matter how someone think. And in this case, the subject is 别人. So it would be no matter how others think, 不重要. That's not important. You need to do what is true and feel right. Of course, not harming other people, right? Some people, for example, me, I used to care about other people's opinions too much. And then I couldn't really do what I feel right or okay or fine or great. I just try to do things that please others. Okay, so this is about this sentence. 别人怎么想都不重要. Okay, so you can use 怎么 plus the verb plus 都. So if you want to say no matter how he thinks, it's not important. Then you can say 他怎么想都不重要。他怎么想都不重要。So this is what the sentence about. Other people's, no matter how the subject thing, not important. 别人怎么想都不重要。Okay, no matter how they or other people think, not important. So that would be this part of dōu grammar growth part 3. Let's review and go through the sentence one more time. 我什么都想吃. I want to eat everything. 我哪里都想要去. I want to go everywhere. 我什么时候都有空. I'm free, I'm available whenever. 谁都不想要付钱. No one wants to pay because everyone doesn't want to pay. This is the Mandarin structure. 我多少钱都愿意买. No matter how much money I'm willing to buy. 我准备很多食物. 你想要吃多少都可以. I prepared a lot of food. No matter how much you want to eat, it's fine. 我没有意见. 我怎么样都好. I have no opinions. I don't have any opinions. I'm fine no matter how the thing is. 别人怎么想都不重要. However others think is not important. So that would be our dōu grammar growth part 3. If you want to download this PDF, you can go ahead to my Koji page at the snake size learning part, and then you can find the PDF and download it. I also include my dōu grammar growth part 1 and part 2 there. If you want to donate and support my work and growth on this channel, you can also go to this part. Thank you for helping me grow part. You can also sign up for italki language learning platform through my referral link. You would get $5 credit on the platform once you purchase a $20 lessons or package. It doesn't need to be with me or my lesson. It can be with other teacher learning other languages as well. You can also book one-on-one lesson directly with me through the service option part. I will see you in next video, whenever that is. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you then. Bye for now.